It's the all-new Magic 107.3. My name is Ebony. I have Dr. Ryan Newhoffel in the studio today with me. And so you are here to talk about Sesame Healthcare. So tell me just tell me all the information about what the concept is and how it all got started.
Yeah, well, thank you for having me, and good morning. Sesame Care is a platform for doctors and patients to meet each other and find an appointment and pay for it up front. So it's a pretty familiar experience if you've used anything like Expedia or Airbnb, but we're just bringing that to healthcare.
Okay, because like everybody's doing things with apps and online and stuff, so this is taking everything just fully online, or do they still have to call in and make their appointments?
Yeah, we're trying to make as much of it online as possible. You know,
Okay.
when you book your flights or hotels, you kind of expect it to be an easy, painless process, and more importantly, know what it's going to cost up front. And so that's what Sesame Care is providing. It's kind of a booking experience, if you will, but also something where you know the price up front.
So who are the people that would probably benefit the most from Sesame Healthcare?
Yeah, well, we think it appeals to anybody who's looking for a better experience in healthcare. But I think there's two people who are probably suffering the most in our health coach system in terms of patients. Number one is people who are uninsured. There's still a lot of people who don't carry insurance for various reasons. And although that's not ideal, they still need access to affordable care. And so they can go online and find a primary care doctor or a dentist or an MRI or a whole other sort of whole other host of medical services for an affordable upfront price. But even people with insurance, you know, we kind of have increasingly realized that even if you have insurance, you often have a lot of unexpected expensive costs. People with high deductibles will tell you this. So we think those are the kind of the two groups of people who are going to most benefit and find value in this.
Okay, and so as for the type of services, is it just like anything?
We're trying to make it almost anything.
Okay.
So kind of A to Z. So you know, primary care doctors like myself, I think are kind of the backbone of the healthcare system. I'm biased, but so we have about 15 or 20 of those in around the metro. But we also have specialists like cardiology, orthopedists, but then also other things like dentists, optometrists, therapists, physical therapy. So it really is kind of we want people to be able to go there and find most of the things that they'll need.
So what's your most favorite thing about this whole concept? Because what really appeals to me, being a millennial, I really like that you can just go online, because I really don't like calling into the doctor
Yeah, for sure.
and
Nobody
trying
does.
to find an appointment. What's something that's your favorite?
Well, yeah, I think for doctors, it's to be able to reconnect with our patients in a transparent way. I don't think doctors like this messy, confusing system any more than patients do. So this really allows us to meet our patients where they're at and be upfront with what it costs and make it easy for them. And I think most doctors are wanting to do that, especially for patients in need.
Perfect, perfect. Is there anything else that you want to add about Sesame Healthcare?
No, I think we've covered most of it.
Okay, so where can they go to find out more information about Sesame Healthcare?
Yeah, well, the website is a great place to get started, and like I said, it's a very familiar experience. So whenever people get anything about healthcare, they kind of get intimidated, and our website is the exact opposite of that. So if you go to sesamecare.com, it's a very kind of user-friendly, easy website to navigate.
Okay, well, perfect. SesameHealthcare.com. We have more information on that also on magic1073.com, and then also I'll post the link on our Facebook page at Magic1073KC. Thank you so much.
Thank you.